Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this phone comes with 3.5mm headphone adapter. So just quickly open the box. Let's take a look what we can find here. There's the SIM tool, user manual, and as you can see we can find inside this kind of adapter. So there we can plug 3.5mm headphones, and this one we can plug at the bottom right here to our phone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.